video on working with sets. You can download the exercise workbook to follow along in your own copy of Tableau. This content builds on the Creating Sets video. Sets can be edited, but to what degree is dependent on how they were created. If a set was created from marks, such as LATAM Corporate, right-clicking on the set and selecting Edit Set will bring up the list of requirements to be a member, and the only option will be to remove individual requirements. Members cannot be added to this existing set, though a second set can be created for the desired new requirements, and the two sets can be combined. If the set was created from a calculation, such as customers with A names, right-clicking and selecting Edit Set will bring up the same dialog that was originally used to create the set. This can be modified and saved. If the set was created by combining sets, right-clicking and selecting Edit Set will bring up the combination window. This can be modified and saved. Sets can be used like any other field, but they have the additional feature of in-out versus members. By default, when a set is brought into the view, say to color, the marks are colored for which fall within the set and which are not in the set. By contrast, if we change the set to detail by clicking on the color icon in front of it and selecting detail, then right-click on that pill and change the mode to show members, we're now only looking at members of the set, and the filter shelf shows that we're actually filtering by that set. Sets can be thought of similarly to filter results. If there is a subset of the data that can be thought of as a useful set, or a frequently used combination of filters, it may be worthwhile to create a formal set from these filter results, and then use the members of that set instead of constantly evaluating filters. When a set is first created, like so, there's an option to add to the filter shelf. This immediately then uses only the members in that set. This is the same behavior as using Show Members. Alternatively, to create a set from a single filter, right-click on the filter shelf's pill and select Create Set. Note that if we were to remove all of these other filters, this set shows exactly those same filter results. Like groups, sets can be added to hierarchies. We can drag LATAM Corporate into the products hierarchy. Now when we drill in the bar chart, we see the only place that has in bars is LATAM, and the smaller bar here is for corporate sales. Sets can also be used in calculations. Here we have a set based on customer names that start with A. If we wanted to know the profits from only these customers, all it takes is a simple calculation. Right-click on the set and say, Create Calculated Field. We'll name this A Name Profits, and the formula will be a simple if statement. If customers with A names, then profit. End. This will check to see if a customer is in the set, and if they are, it will return the profit for their orders. This is a very basic example, but using sets in a calculation like any other field gives them a lot of power in the analysis. Thank you for watching this video on working with sets. We invite you to continue with the free training videos to learn more about using Tableau.